In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer a volume discount on eBay. If you're looking to increase sales and offer great deals to your buyers, volume discounts can be a strategic move. We'll break down each step for you so you can start creating enticing offers for your eBay customers. Let's begin by heading over to the Seller Hub. This is your central hub on eBay for managing your selling activities, from listing items to handling orders, and yes, creating promotions. Once you're in the Seller Hub, locate the Marketing tab in the top menu, hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Discounts. This section is where you'll manage any promotional discounts you offer on your listings. Next, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Discounts page. Here you will find the option to create a discount. Click on this button and you will see an option labeled Volume Pricing. This is the section where we'll set up our tiered discounts for bulk purchases. Now, it's time to give your promotion a name. The name should clearly describe what the buyer will get from the offer, such as buy 2 get 10% off. This is not only helpful for your own records, but also informative for buyers browsing through your items. After naming your promotion, you need to choose the type of discount you wish to offer. You have two options, a percentage off or a specific dollar amount off. Consider what makes sense for your product and your business goals. Once you've decided on the type of discount, it's time to set up the tiers. Suppose you want to offer a range of discounts, 10% for buying 2 items, 15% for 3, and 20% for purchasing 4 or more. You'll create each of these tiers individually. Click the Add Tier button for each level you want to include. Each time, specify the minimum quantity that buyers must purchase to qualify for that particular discount. After setting the minimum quantities, enter the corresponding discount percentage or amount that buyers will receive for that tier. Remember, the goal is to encourage larger purchases, so make your discounts appealing. Now that your tiers are set up, it's time to select the items to which the volume discount will apply. You can apply these discounts to individual items by category or by listing format such as auctions or fixed prices. This flexibility allows you to tailor your discounts to specific inventory segments. Before you finalize everything, take a moment to review all the details. Double check that your tier numbers, discount amounts, and selected items are accurate. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, hit the Publish button to activate your volume pricing promotion. And there you have it, your volume discount is now live on eBay, ready to help you attract more buyers and boost your sales. Thanks for watching and happy selling.